Hello everyone, this is me Teresa and welcome to another tutorial. If you're new here in this channel, I upload a how-to tutorial videos. If you are into this kind of topic, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell icon to get to watch my upcoming videos. Canva has released a new feature, and in today's tutorial, I will show you what and how this feature works. So if you're ready, let's go to Canva. We're here in Canva guys, and let's pull up a video blank page. And the new feature that I am talking about is a video background remover. Yes, Canva released a video background remover feature and I'm so excited to share it with you. You can remove the background to a video in just one click. Just note that removing the background depends on how long is your video. You can use your own video or you can use the videos that are available in Canva library. You can remove the background to up to 1 minute, and let me show you how it's done. Let's pull up one video from here. Let's say this one as an example. And to access the video background remover feature, click on the video, go to the top toolbar, edit video, and background remover, click on that, and boom. In just one click, the background of the video disappeared. You can be more creative of this video. You can change the background of this video by an image or a videos. Let's say we want to use a photo. For example, we want ocean. And let's choose one image from here and set image as background. Adjust the video, you can make it bigger. And then let's play. That's awesome. Okay, let's pull up again one video. Let's choose this one. Let's change the background so you can see it has a white background. Let's go to background remover. And that's it. The video background disappears in just one click. So you can either change the background of this by the image or the videos. Let's go for video. Let's choose this one. Right click and then replace background. And then adjust the video and then play. You can add some text. You can add some elements and whatever you want to add to be more creative. You can add text, and then you can even add animation to the text. Go to animate, and then you can choose animations from here. For example, typewriting. You can add more graphics. Example, this one. You can do whatever you want to the video to be more creative. Alright, if you want to change the background to an image, you can click on the background, right click and delete, and then you can choose image, set image. This feature is available for Canva Pro users. Are you a free user and want to try this feature? Don't you worry, you can try Canva free trial for 30 days and enjoy Canva Pro features for free. You can use my link to register. Link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the new feature. Please give this video a thumbs up and you can share this with your friends too. Any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Your support is really appreciated. See you in my next video and God bless everyone.